A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the sides of the triangle are these three values and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter, find the height of the parallelogram. So I would like you guys to draw the required diagram and write, no, that's enough. Draw the required diagram. So let's read the question again. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and area. Even the area is same. And we have the triangle sides. So we have a base of 28. Why am I taking 28 as the base? Even the parallelogram base is 28. So take the triangle to be 28 again. Okay, to equilateral triangle. That's better. And we have a parallelogram on the 28. Right, on the 28 line. So this is of length 28 centimeter. So this is say 30 and that's 26. So this is of height. H. This is what we need to find. With this as the base, what is the height is their question. So it's a very clear cut question. We need to find the area of triangle and then and thus we'll find the area of the parallelogram. And we know that area of parallelogram is also equal to base into height. So we know the base, we know the height. We'll find the area and equate them and solve it. So please pause. So here the main thing which I would want you guys to do is the part of the calculation. So I'll pull you guys till there. Let me show it off. Then I want to see you guys doing the calculation. So first part is quite simple. Consider the triangle with the semi perimeter to be equal to 26, 30 plus 28 plus 26. Entire thing divided by 2. So that will be, what is the sum guys? 30, 30, 60, 60, 90 minus 6, 84 by 2. That is 42 centimeter. That's your semi perimeter. Now, area of the triangle is given by s times of s minus a into s minus b into s minus c to the power of half. So this is equal to 42 into 42 minus 30 into 42 minus 28 into 42 minus 26 to the power of half. So this is equal to 42 into, difference is 12, next will be 14 and next will be 16 because they are decreasing by 2, right? So the difference will increase by 2. And now is what I want you guys to figure out. Okay, how do we simplify this? 3 options: multiply all of them, then take the square root, factorize all of them, or the intermediary factorization. Factorize the only things only which is required. So this is where I want you guys to start thinking. Okay, so pause, think over. I hope you guys did some kind of work at least. So first thing is, let's not touch 16. Square root of 16 is 4. So I'll take square root of 16 out and rest is 42. 42 2 or 4 I can't divide, so 2 into 21, that is 3 into 7. Next is 12, 4 into 3, and 14 is 7 into 2 root. And now we have 4. Then we have 2 into 2, that is square root of 2 square. Next term is 3 into 3 into square root of 3 square. Next is 7 into 7, that is square root of 7 square. And all of this is 8, so all this gets cancelled now. So 4 into 2 into 3 into 7. And yeah, I forgot. See, that's the point of writing, underlining and writing. I missed square root of 4 and that turns out to be 2. Don't calculate this. Keep it as it is because this is not the final answer. The final answer is to find the height. So area of the parallelogram is given to be equal to area of the triangle. So since we know the area of the parallelogram to be base into height, which is equal to area of the triangle, which is 4 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 2. So base over here is 28. Height is h, which is 4 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 2. Now the calculation. So we need only height. So we'll divide 28 both the sides. 28 cancels over here. 7 4s are 28 and we are done. See, so calculation became so easy by not calculating when it's not required. And at last we require this 6 12. So this is 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter, right? If you do write it in your diagram, a teacher would see and think that the person has done the calculation, put a tick, and they'll go on to the next question. So such things you need to do. And the formula used over here is a to the power of n into b to the power of n. So this is given. Okay, I think I've written everything else. Right, this is your answer.